All right, so we are back after finishing those loops questions yesterday, and now we are up for this exceptions questions basically, and there are four. So, okay, yeah, these four. So yeah, let us. This has also restarted. Let us just go ahead and start. Fuel gauge, the first one. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So fuel gauges indicate, often with fractions, just how much fuel is in a tank. For instance, 1/4 indicates that tank is 25% full. 1 by 2 indicates it's 50%, and 3 by 4 it's 75%. So fuel dot pi, of course. So yeah, let me just close these things, and let me just week 3, close all these. Uh, and fuel fuel oh sorry, core fuel dot pi, and let me close all of these. Cool, it's decluttered a bit. And now implement a program that prompts the user for a fraction formatted as x by y, wherein each of x and y is a positive integer, and then outputs as a percentage rounded to the nearest integer how much fuel is in the tank. If though 1% or less remains, output E instead to indicate that the tank is essentially empty, and if 99 or more remains, output F. So those would be two corner cases. And if though x or y is not an integer, x is greater than y is 0, instead prompt the user again. It's not necessary for y to be 4. That I didn't get. Just a second. So basically, I have another window open in which my Kaggle notebook is running. Cool. Yeah. So x and y is not integer. This I didn't get, but anyways, be sure to catch value error or zero division error. Okay. So str comes with methods, of course, including split. Okay, so we have to split with that thing. Try something except value error except zero division error. or you can handle two together. Okay, so okay. So if it is like 4 by 4, then it's like 100% or something. So it should output F, and if it is 0 by 4, then it's almost 0. So, and 4 by 0 should handle 0 division error. 3 by 4, like that, should handle value error. Okay, quite a few cases, but let's go step by step. First of all, how are we taking the input? Fraction. Input fraction. Okay, let me also copy paste this, and we'll implement stuff like that. Okay, so first of all, we need to split the input in numerator and denominator. So we can do input dot split by this. I think that's how the syntax was, if I'm not wrong. But yeah. Now, I think we should do it in try. If no, first of all, numerator is equal to int and that. Now, percentage, let's say, would be numerator divided by denominator into 100, and we can print the percentage. If I forgot the syntax, I think that's how it was, right? Or if I'm f string that's what it was, right? You know, it was fraction only. Fraction. Yeah, I forgot that syntax. Just leave it. Let me just say fraction percentage. And this sign. Now value error. So what should be handled first of all? Was there any conditions or anything in the value error? I'm not really sure. Let me just pull up the code, yeah. here. See, so how can we make sure that if the denominator is entered as 0, we only get value error? I don't know. Denominator should be non-zero. And enter a valid value, maybe. Okay, let me check this much. Python fuel.py. Let's just do normal case. Okay, we also need to convert this in int. Also, let me handle it with this syntax. Cool. Shit, bro. Ah, fuck. Let me just see that syntax. F and then string. Okay. F and then string. And if we need a value, then put it here. Cool. Okay. So okay, these two are remaining. Let me just, if percentage equals 0, print e, else if percentage equal 1, print f, else this. Okay. First of all, 3 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4, now 4 by 4. Ah, shit. It should be not 1, it should be 100. Yeah. 4 by 4. Cool. Now we have to handle the errors. So let us try first of all. Let's say 3 by 4. Enter a valid value. 4 by 0. My bad, sorry. Cool. So that is working fine. What else was there? 1.5. My god, why am I doing this? I feel like this is gonna work somehow. No shit, damn. Minus 3 by 4. Oh. Okay, so there is one case which is not being handled. And let's also try 5 by 4. Okay. So first of all, we need to also flag or whatever these things, like it should not be negative. We can raise also, right? Like let's say here, if numerator or denominator, how can we, okay, less than 0, and raise value error. Okay, let's try now. Cool. And what else was there? Yeah. We can also learn a while loop. While numerator is greater than denominator, ask for the input again. We can do that, right? Three by 4. The fuck? Okay, so it's breaking somehow. I'm not sure why always. Yeah, see, like whenever I put some OR condition, it just breaks something. Hmm. Okay. String object is not callable. I think I have to do this outside. Mm. Ah, okay. Does this work though? And if it doesn't, then why does it not? Yeah, see, string object is not callable. Type errors. I think I'll have to use functions or something like that. Like def main. Wait, what the fuck? Just happened. Just a second. Model 1 has run successfully. Model 2 also. Okay, okay. Okay, anyways, whatever. Uh, this is visible, right? Yeah, I think it is. Mm-mm-mm. No, I was just trying to. Okay. But then it will be like. Okay. Let me try, I guess. Check fuel. And we can call main here. So what does main do? Main takes input, it splits them, and then okay. Yeah, I think we have to do this here only. Or can't I just do everything inside the try block, bro? I think I can, man. I'm just complicating shit for no fucking reason, I feel. Shift tab. Okay, let's see. No shit, bro. I think I was wrong. But like, I don't understand why is this. Why is this happening? Okay. Yeah, I think it was just naming issue. No, wait, shit. Now it has gotten. Okay, okay. I have not called the check fuel. Shit. It's not greater than. Bro, why is this happening, dude? Fucking hell. So, I'm calling main, right? Main gets called, it says fuel, this, it splits, and it checks. Basically, it splits them into this integers, and then it is checking if numerator is greater than denominator, then like take the input again. But in these cases, it's not. So just go and check fuel, right? I actually forgot how this shit worked. Okay. 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 Something is wrong here. Obviously. But goddamn, man, I'm just thinking like if I should convert them after this or something like that. But we need to take one input first, right? We can't directly jump into the while condition because it is checking the numerator and denominator, and if they are whatever, and then Okay. It split. Did 3, did 4. I don't understand, man. Like, genuinely. Like 5 by 4, right? Okay, so basically, they are not updating. Okay. I just needed to do that again and again and again and again. Fuck. Anyways. By the way, sorry if there is like noise of firecrackers, but yeah, there is kind of a special day today, so people are bursting the firecrackers. I was gonna say crackers, but sounded weird. But yeah, shit. Um. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. If it is 0 or 1, and if it is 99 or 100. Yeah, so that we need to check. Okay. 0 or 1. Does it work though? I'm again not really sure. Let's see. Still running. Yeah, this does not work, bro. we also have to round these things off, because just converting them into int, that is uh, input input of results in reprompt. Okay. It's not reprompting, right? Then why was it saying so? It literally rejected the value and it did not reprompt. It's not reprompting, bro. Yeah, man, that's it. They want to reject the input outright. How is that possible? I cannot put int here because I need to do this. And that's not an int. 3/4. Bro. Let me still try it, I guess. See? Like, that much is fucking obvious. How much time has it been? Almost one fucking hour. Shit, man. The hell is this? For the first time in these weeks, I am going to get help from an AI. Uh, this is the program I've written. Just a second. It clearly uh, gives value error when anything other than when it needs to. But the checks with the test cases are showing this. fuck. The last 5 test cases are saying results in reprompts, but it does not while giving the input 3/4 for example. It clearly raises the value error. Help me understand what is going on here. But that's what it's supposed to do, right? Oh, input. Oh, fuck, man. I'm always getting confused by this. So they want to result in reprompt. Okay, but they have not written that here. Ah, shit. My fucking bad. It is saying prompt the user again. Fuck, man. I need to read the questions more clearly. Yeah. While loop was actually while true, we are doing this. Check for negative values. Check if numerator is greater than denominator, then also okay. Fuck. Let me for now just copy this. Let's see now. I just feel like in the night my brain just doesn't work as intended for some reason. Like I know I take time, but still, like yesterday I did it in the afternoon, so it was still I think better. And I need to do these things in the afternoon. But yeah, anyways, let us finally see. Cool. Also, let me just check by myself. Okay. Anyways, it has been like almost an hour. I think I spent a lot of unnecessary time, but maybe it was good since I got to think stuff and I didn't just, do something blindly and directly going to the air or something like that. But yeah, I think I will have to get these done and tomorrow basically. It says taco and I'm kind of hungry. Thinking about the tacos and quesadillas, whatever, however it's said. I had like some days ago, maybe like 10-15 days ago. No, it's almost a month ago. But yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Only one question, but yeah, we do what we do. And good night or good day, whenever or if you're watching. And I'll see you tomorrow. Ah, bye.